Hello, how are you? Welcome to your second lesson of long multiplication, and today you are going to learn 3-digit multiplication with word problems. Okay, so let's start over. In the last lesson, you have learned that how you can multiply a 3-digit number with 2-digit number, right? For example, 249 times 22. And you have also learned that how you can multiply 4-digit number with 2-digit number, right? So now we are going to learn that how you can multiply 3-digit number 254 times 3-digit number. So I'm gonna have 221 over here. The rule is again same, nothing is difficult in this. Okay, we have to follow the same thing, that one by one we are going to multiply with 1 every digit, right? 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, so I'm writing here 4. 1 times 5 is 5. I'm writing here 5. Then 1 times 2 is 2. And then I have written 2 over here. So we are done with 1. Okay, now after 1 we have 2. So now we need to multiply 254 with 2. Okay, so now what I need to do, one by one I will multiply each digit with 2. Okay, but remember, as I told you in last lesson, because 2 is at 10th place, so you have to start from 10th place. At the unit place, you have to put 0. Or for your ease, you can remember that 2 is at the second place, so your answer should start from second place. Okay, so now we have to write our answer from this place. 2 times 4 is 8, so I will write here 8. 2 times 5 is 10, so I will write 10 like this, 1, 0. As you already know, I told you in last lesson. Now 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 will give me 5, right? Now we are done with 1, we are done with 2. Now the last digit left is 2 again, okay? It means you need to multiply 2 with 254. Alright, so now from where you have to start your answer, your 2 is at third place. So where is third place? 1, 2, 3 here. So it means the first two places you have to fill with 0, right? And your answer is going to start with third place, that is the 100 place, right? Because 2 is at 100 place, this is unit, this is 10, and this is 100 place. So your answer should also be written from 100 place. Okay, so let's start over. Writing 2 times 4 is 8, so I'm gonna write 8 over here. 2 times 5 is 10, how I'm gonna write 1 and 0. Okay, then 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 will give me 5, and at the end we have to add up all these numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 5 is 13, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 plus 3 will give you 11. This will give you 6 and 5. So this is your answer. Isn't it easy? Yes, very easy. So let's take some more examples. Now you have 359 times 194. Okay, the same thing you have to do. First you will multiply 4 with 359, right? 359 times 4, and you will write your answer here. 4 times 9 is 36. How I'm going to write it? 30 and 6. Okay, then 4 times 5 is 20. So what I need to do, I need to add this 3 in 20. It will give me 23. How I'm going to write? 20 and 3. Okay, then 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. So there is no number ahead, so I will write 14 over here. The next digit is 9 now, so now we need to multiply 359 with 9. From where I will start writing my answer? From second place. The first place we have to write 0, and from second place means 10th place you have to start writing your answer of 9 times 359. 9 times 9 is 81. How I will write? 80 and 1. Okay, then 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 8 will give you 53. How should I write? 50 and 3. Okay, then the next is 9 times 3, 27. 27 plus 5 will give you 32, right? So 32, how should I write? 30 and 2, because there is no number ahead, so that's why I wrote 32 as it is. Now what we are left with? 1. Now 1 is at the third place, means at 100 place, so your answer should also start from 100 place, that is here. The first two places you need to write zeros, 2 zeros, okay? So now 1 times 9 is 9, and 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 3 is 3. Now what we need to do? We need to simply add all these numbers. 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16, right? Okay, now this is 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9, and it will give you 6. So now 6, 9, 6, 4, 6 is your final answer, okay? One more question and then we have to move towards a word problem. 759 times 207, right? Okay. Now the same way we have to follow. 7 times 9 is 63. How should I write? 60 and 3. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 plus 6 is 41. How should I write? 40 and 1. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 4 is 53, right? So now the next one is 0. Your answer should be from second place, means 10th place. The first one is 0. Okay. Now 0 times 9 is 0. 0 times 5 is again 0. 0 times 7 is again 0. Now you need to multiply with 2. 2 is at 100 place, means your answer should be from 100 place, where it is 1, 2, 3 here. And the first two places need to be written as zeros. Okay. 2 times 9 is 18. How should I write? 1 and 8 over here. Then 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. How should I write? 1 and 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Now what I need to do? Add up all the numbers. 3 plus zeros are 3, 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 plus 8 is 11, and then this is 6 plus 1 7, and the 15 as it is. So this is your answer. Okay, hopefully that you understood how to do your long multiplication with 3-digit and 2-digit numbers. Okay, so let's start over with our word problems. Look at this question now. One watch cost 95 pennies and I bought 5. Okay, it means you have bought 5 watches, so you need to pay 5 times 95 pennies. Why? Because each cost 95 and you have bought 5, so it means you have to multiply these numbers, right? So 5 times 95 means 95 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and 5 times 9 is 45, plus 2 will give you 475. Now be careful, this is 475 pence, right? Now you need to convert it into pounds. How we can do it? You know that 1 pound is equals to 100 pennies, right? You already know about this. 2 pounds will be equals to 200 pennies, and in the same way 3 pounds will be equals to 300 pennies, and 4 will be equals to 400 pennies. So look in your question. So I can write it like this: 400 pennies plus 75 pennies. Okay, this 400 pennies means 4 pounds, right? And this 75 pennies, how I can write? I can write it like 4 pounds and 75 pence, like this. Okay, so this is the way of writing your money. Okay, we are done with this. So it means 4.75 pounds you actually need to pay. Okay, now what he's saying, that you have a 10 pound note. How much? You have a £10 note, right? How much change did I receive? You have given it to shopkeeper £10, and now how much you are going to receive? It means what you need to do, you need to take away this 4.75 from 10. Okay, in the same way we take away our numbers in decimals, the same thing we have to follow over here. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to take away 5 from this 0, which is not possible. It means you have to carry 1 over here, it will become 10, and it's nothing over here. Now you need to take 1 over here, it will become 10. Then over here, now it has become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and now it is 9 over here. So 9 minus 7 is 2. And then this is again 9 now. So 9 minus 4 will give you 5. So how much you are left with? 5.25 pounds. Okay, understand this? Look at this question now. There are 12 eggs in each egg tray. It means there is a tray in which there are 12 eggs. Alright, how many trays are there? I bought 9 trays. So it means there are 9 trays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So 9 trays are there in total. And how many eggs are there? Each tray is containing 12 eggs, right? So how many eggs will be in total? 9 times 12, okay? So 9 times 12 will give you 108. All right, so if you don't know the times table of 12, you should learn it, but still you can find by multiplying. 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 1 is 1, plus 1 will give you 10. So your answer will be equals to 108. It means total eggs are 108. Understand it? Okay, so now the next part of the question is, I used 3 trays of eggs. How many? 3 trays. 1, 2, 3. It means how many eggs I have used? 12 times 3, right? That is 36. This weekend, how many individual eggs do I have left now? Left means you have to take away. Total are 108. You have used 36. So what is left? 108. You have to take away 36 from 108. So it will give you 72. Right? This is your answer. Isn't it easy? Look at this question now. It's a bit tricky. You have to be more attentive while understanding this question, okay? I need to buy enough whiteboards for 172 students, right? How many students are there? 172. The thing is that you need to understand your information, okay? So 172 students are there, and you need to buy how many whiteboards? Of course, you need to buy 172 whiteboards, right? Now, what he is saying, there are 25 in a pack. It means there are the packs. One pack, for example, this is one pack. And in one pack, there are 25 whiteboards. Understand? Okay. When the packs arrive, 12 whiteboards are damaged. How many whiteboards are undamaged? Okay, we are going to leave this part right now. First, we are going to focus in the first part. He is saying that there are 25 in one pack. First of all, we should know that how many packs we need. One pack is equals to 25 whiteboards, right? Two packs will be equals to 25 times 2, that is 50 whiteboards. How many you need? You need 172. It means which number I should multiply with 25 so that I can get 172. Let's say, for example, if I multiply it with 5, what I will get? 125. Still I need more whiteboards, so I'm gonna multiply it with by 6, so my answer will be equals to 150 whiteboards. Still 150 whiteboards are not enough, okay? It means I need to multiply it with 7, 175 whiteboards. look at. Now we have 3 whiteboards extra, but still we need it because 25 times 7 means you need at least 7 packs. How many packs? You need 7 packs of whiteboards. Understand or not? 1 pack means 25, 2 means 25 times 2, 7 packs means 7 times 25. So it means you need 7 packs of whiteboard, right? So how many whiteboards will be there? 175. Understand now, this thing is clear that you have bought 175 whiteboards. Now look at the second part of the question. We have in total 175 whiteboards now, which were in 7 packs. Okay, so we are done with this. Now we have to look at the second part. When the packs arrive, 12 whiteboards are damaged. Okay, how many whiteboards are undamaged? It means what you need to do, you need to take away 12 from total whiteboards. Okay, so 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 1 is 6, and 163. So these are your undamaged whiteboards. Okay, so that's all. So we are done with this. Look at this question now. You can try it yourself. If you couldn't, I would tell you in the next lesson. Okay, see you in the next class. Take care.